I really want to use this medium to say something very, very important. Like, I really want to use this medium to send a shout out to Christina Vice or Vice. Pardon me if I'm not calling out the name properly. Christina Vice has actually, become one of my super thanks purchasers. She has actually showed gratitude by purchasing our super thanks with $9.99. It's equivalent to $10. And I want to say a very big thank you to you. One of our, she's the first person who actually purchased or who actually showed gratitude by buying our super thanks to support our channel. And we're not going to use this money of the super thanks to do anything rather than to develop this channel. And I want to say big thank you to you, shout out to you, one love, and we want to say we love you. Thanks. All right, without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy compilation video. Let's go.
My husband, for 1 week. That is the reason why I brought this new cook and this new cleaner.
Okay.
Party after party.
Work is too much for Jack.
Yes. I concur to that, you understand? Because I was going to say it.
Okay, they are here to work. So I'll be back 1 week.
Madam, should I help you with your bag?
Jack, don't worry. Let me go.
Well, no problem.
Jack, see those two nanny? I like them. I want to packaging them. Please don't take my wife.
Okay, sir. Chief, take one and give me one now.
Are you playing? Jack, clear your mouth. This is playing. Let today be the first and the last that you open your mouth and say this thing that you say.
Jack, Chief is calling you.
Okay.
Let's have it.
Want to chop with it, big
Hey, Jack.
Sir?
Go and buy me a monkey. Manpower.
Hey, shut down.
Jesus.
Jack,
Man,
what are you doing here?
I want to go and buy something.
What do you want to go and buy?
Madam, please don't tell Chief.
Don't say it. I will not touch you.
I want to go and buy manpower.
Manpower. What do Chief want to use manpower?
You know those two nannies you brought? And he wants to use it on them.
Hey.
Madam, please don't tell Chief.
No, it's fine. Go and buy. I see Jack, he go buy manpower. So when I calm down, in they come.
Dead body go surplus.
Hey guys, win prizes from one expert only for betting on Serie A matches. Register one expert my
So what's Iwundu?
20% bonus on your first
Madam,
deposit. Press the
what
buy button
is
on
she
the
going
offer
to do
page
to
in
all these
Promotional
guys? Like,
Please bet on any Serie A matches and
it's not
end
going to
points.
be easy.
Get the Chinedu of all divisions.
How much it?
Points,
Those guests,
and
now
tickets
we
for your
test
prize
them
draw so that you
because
can win an iPhone.
now those
14
will be
Pro Max,
their target.
PlayStation,
Let's see the
speaker,
next one
etc.
from
Just
next comedian.
register, click the link and register so that I can start winning. Thank you, peace out.
All right,
I'm feeling cool every day, my baby come by.
this one is Gentuu and with Chocoba. Let's see this one. Franca, let's go. Knock me the red room.
So fucking good. What's going on?
Thank you.
Can I get your number?
Sure.
No. What's going?
Don't worry. I've got this. Put my bag.
Yes, more than. It's more than fly. Don't tell me again you can do such things. Wow.
That guy is a bastard. So, I used to collect my number.
The red flag is very big. Gentuu is a kind of a crazy guy. Like, how can look at the way he just ran? He said, "Look there, the guy wanted to look." Yeah.
Wait, why are you parking now? Why are you parking?
I did something bad.
What's that?
I scratched your car, baby.
Now that will be the issue now.
Babe, I'm sure it's just a scratch. Stop overreacting. Unpack all those things,
Yes,
please.
just cry.
Baby, see.
Sorry. Don't cry.
It's not just a scratch. Oh. Jesus.
If I hear that you die now, people they cry say you die. I'm not going to ask the what to kill you.
Fuck out of here.
Milo, what's happened?
Return my bride price.
Let's not go into that now.
Return my bride price.
This is not with a man joke.
You complete?
You complete. Come, what do you do? I beg call that US boy for me complete bride price. This one don't get money.
Small road where only spirit they show me now where I will take make money. Now you want begin put obstacle.
There's nobody that can put obstacle. The small road where I want to make money. This called the next available boyfriend. Let's see this one from the GOAT Thaedoboy. Alright.
Senior.
Oh yeah, nah. My money.
How much is your money?
1.5.
Oh, gonna what? 1.5 million.
You didn't ask me again. You don't know what you chop. I beg, give me my money.
Right.
Get off now. Guy, don't be. What's happened?
Get where I got it just now. We don't package finish. You don't package finish. They be 1.5 million. Guy, I want to see that kind of money. I know. I don't want to carry a move. She just shaking her.
Calm down. Wait, you drive your car, go there.
I just come now.
Okay, see, now, listen to me very carefully.
Alpha, please, I'm having network issues. No worry, I beg. No worry. Just wait for me in the car. Let me just ease myself.
Okay, there's no problem.
This time is too GLE. What is Thaedoboy up to right now?
You see, this kind of arrangement is not they hard to solve. Some no, some not no.
Removing the plate number.
You not get asked. Let those we know teach those we don't know.
Which of this one is my boyfriend's car?
Calm down.
God have mercy upon us.
Now, wow. Let's move.
Big Zephyr.
Who be this? I'll move. What are you doing in my car?
It's okay.
This is not your car.
Wait. Is this your car?
Which car is that question below this one? I beg, come off my car, make a drive, I beg.
Now why we be they call am God? Now why he dey always turn up? He go turn up.
Thaedoboy. So this is what you are up to, and you didn't let us know. Like, I didn't see this coming. I know you guys didn't see it coming as well. So let's dive into the comment section and say something nice to this comedy, especially this one from Thaedoboy. He tried, and he has been doing a very great job. And it's going to be hilarious because this guy knows the thing. That's why I die.
But wait, I want to explain, give them.
No, anyhow, just have to tell them. Don't worry, they are coming.
All I get is instruction. Just iron my trouser. Can't you do it yourself? What's the joy of the wife if not to iron her husband's trousers so you can go to work? You're upset because I did not iron your trousers. You don't expect an officer of the Nigerian army to wear this with the cantonment?
Mommy, Daddy!
What? Iron the trouser. Simple instruction. Woman, don't get me mad. Don't get me mad, yo. Are you threatening me? I'll blast your head. I will blast your head too.
Jesus.
It's only because I love you. That's why I don't put you down.
This is my boyfriend!
Madam, rise up and walk.
Yeah. Did you just say that is your boyfriend? At what age? 23?
Hey! Already?
Jesus.
Don't get out of the leg.
Hello, Daddy.
God help me now that day.
Don't tell me they buy him. Solo. First, we'd already put picking for that side. When I fire, you say you two the waka beg. Let's dive
You could be a star, you can end up a patient. Got a mind that you step, blood. Jesus. Can you imagine?
What have I done, my
Is that what I think I heard?
My first fault in this relationship.
Jesus. Baby, it's a lie.
It is.
It's a lie.
coming through this place.
Don't be angry with me, please don't hate me.
My baby just messed for the very first time.
Now, not the relationship. Stop! She don't show you a true self.
Congrats for your first fat. Unbelievable. You know, I've never seen a girl fast before. So when a girl fast in a relationship, that simply means. Don't try to do and she gets me out.
Yeah. What is your good name? My name is Motherfuck.
Like, I am not going to take it this time. Please relax, you. Relax, I don't want you. You know, when a girl fast means she has what she's free for you. Like, you know.
Who you attack this time around?
Clean your eyes, well.
I mean, this one another sweet dream again.
This one no be dream, oh. Now Philip, Philip dash me all this money after I tell him to download PalmPay app. I update him on how to make extra cash if you refer in family and friends as well. As he listen to me, that's why he begin earn instantly. As each person way him they refer, they sign up. That's why him rewards go dey plenty. And you know one thing, if you invite 5 people, you go earn up to 8,000 naira. As the money don't too much now, he begin to dash me.
Wonderful. So Philip dash you money. Let me say go download PalmPay app now. They refer and earn.
What do they wait for?
Landlord talk say they outside, they wait for you. Because they say your rent don't reach 3 years.
Huh? Tell us I know they.
Okay.
Where is this man that has been owing me?
Landlord.
Where is he?
He just they tell me for window now. Say make I tell
Neighbor, now waiting me I tell you make you tell and be that.
They have put you in one chance, very big trouble.
Okay. Oh yeah, give me the money. Please, Give me the money.
Calm down, there's no money in this house.
I know you want to rob us. I'm not stopping you from robbing us, but that is a wrong sentence. It is not, Oga, give me the money. What's give me? It is, give me the money.
I no come here come play. Give me the money, John.
Sorry, it is not, I no come here come play. Gosh, no, it is, I did not come here to play.
If this pikin corrects me again, now you are going to shoot.
I know you really want to shoot him. I'm not stopping you from doing so, but that is a wrong vocabulary. Who's your English teacher? It is, I will shoot you. Repeat after me. Say shoot.
Wait. Give me one more chance, eh? That's what they do anyhow for their school.
Sure you hear that? She say make I shoot.
What have I done?
This time is what have I done? You know, he used to say, what have I done? But now this time around, it's not done again. It's what have I done?
What is our wife?
Jesus.
Very sweet girl.
What's this thing and why are you shaking it?
Okay, this Cloud9 bitters.
Cloud9 bitters, what is it for?
Let's have it. It helps to boost the immune system. It reduces sugar level. At the same time, it helps to boost the libido for male and female.
Libido, what?
Just now.
Babe, I hope we are not doing anything because me, I'm here for us to just chill. My period just came out this morning.
Did you say chill?
Your period came out this morning and you came this morning. Child! The woman with issue of blood, come to
Jesus.
Come. Come there, go now.
Malo. Yeah, you are no longer
If I
this if I understand this guy very well. You know, they doesn't own gem just to destroy. They own gem only for the purpose of. Oh my God! What's wrong?
La caca.
No need to argue, my guy.
Good afternoon, man.
Oh, my pikin, how you dey?
Fine, man.
No be small boy of that day be this.
Moscow. Now you know.
Now you don't grow like this.
Now so you don't big go. Now food make and big.
Food?
You see this boy, he can't chop.
You sure say this boy never started this?
Huh?
Because you remember that my pikin?
Which one?
Where they smoke.
That yellow one.
Yes, so. Anytime when you go outside, go smoke. Now so you go enter inside. If you chop one bag of rice in a day.
casting.
So you need to go meet your pikin. Press him belly where. Go ask her.
I'm not sure say Moscow they smoke. But I think they fit chop 10 times a day.
Nobody go feel using clear eye. Chop 10 times
Go
a
on.
day if you know they smoke. Because children nowadays, you know if you trust them.
Hello, Chinedu. Now you tell your mama say I dey Indo. She there, they can't me for my mother since. Wait till they so. See, if your mother knows that this has not tired to they come, make she talk.
What did they worry you? So you don't reach the stage where you could report my friend to our children. What is this kind of character? Anyway, I don't get your time. Your food day table. When you ready, you go chop. Eat.
Jesus.
This pikin don't finish his food. No.
My pikin.
Won't be your pikin. Your pikin fine like this.
Let's go. So you don't finish that food? No. Within seconds.
That's more food when no even rich person chop.
I know first time you say they smoke.
He dey smoke.
But you not believe me.
Not be small smoke, he dey smoke. Not serious smoke.
If you're shaking, Cardi B, yeah, she shake it back.
They actually confirm it. Like, wow.
This evening you will die.
They're engaging in a serious work they didn't send them to do. These guys, because of woman, I don't know what's wrong with these guys.
So you don't fall in love like this one too?
Oh,
really? See my baby.
May I see the girl, bro?
See her lips now. Wow. The lipsy dipsy.
Jaffa now. Jaffa now.
You just they come.
What's good, bro? What's good, bro? Come on, to the house now.
You know they see this your guy. You don't go fall in love.
Tommy, don't fall in love.
Before. See him now.
Cynthia. That girl has a bad tattoo on her nipple. Correct girl.
Don't sleep with her.
Person babe.
Yeah, that kind of thing they pay no. I beg, Jad, let me check this my own babe. We even don't do engagements. I just ready to remain. She sabi am.
Oh, Selena. Hey! Deep throat queen. This girl bad.
Woman when me I want engage, let me deep throat queen.
I beg, bro. Let me check this my own babe. Oh! Pastor Sha. You're not serving now. My babe.
You laugh me? Olori burúkú ni bobo eja. Guy, come dey go your
Because
house.
because of babe.
This one not going anywhere. We will kill him in this house. You're not going anywhere.
Wait, calm down. No,
I wonder that.
Wisdom. Oga. How fine now? Fine. Why look man now? No mind now, enjoy. Go look people where they fight for that side.
How typical.
Madam, as I was saying, what happened between you and that your bobo now?
I beg. No one will get job now. I don't live on Tete. Not today.
I tell people every time, any ex that did not meet our expectation is an experiment.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. You see, when you are broke and heartbroken, take it as an avenue for breakthrough, not a breakdown. My name is Mr. Richard, CEO GNCC Masterclass. What we do in our class is that we uplift people from a state of financial breakdown to a state of financial breakthrough.
Wow.
I tell people that it's important as a woman that you have your own economic power. Be independent and not independent of another man. I normally emphasize the economic power of a woman because any matrimony without money is a maltreatment.
Wow.
Excuse
me, sir, are you a man of God?
Don't you know this man?
Madam, let me ask you a question. What is it that you do for a living?
I'm a makeup artist.
Makeup artist, I will need you to make up your mind this very instant.
Wisdom.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not you.
Madam, are you ready to join GNCC Masterclass? What we do is 15,000 naira regular, and for women seeking economic power, we are doing 5,000 naira, and in 4 days, I will make you a millionaire.
Yes, I'm ready. Please give your account number, quick.
All right, 00 66. No, you know what? Do Bitcoin.
Let's see this one from for the Froch. I think this one is everything. Like,
Yes, I know. Come and go use my stuff. Come here, we get this. Magic. I don't know you.
Evil. Next time when you're going out, you take your drink along. It's very risky leaving your drink with anybody because you want to go eat yourself.
Ornamental.
Pour it away.
John, are you okay? Somebody help!
What happened?
John, what?
The CCTV is not working.
I know say a lot of them I don't miss me.
Just let me buy because I know that it is over, it is finished. But next time when you want to go somewhere when you are
Yeah, I beg. If you hear me do like 1 gig for there, I won't go online. You don't think I enter online.
Now, so you asked me yesterday, still can't ask me today again.
All these days where I go, they cook noodles, they give you part of the noodles. Cause I know this
my network not even good right now.
No worry, you be fake friends. Now you be the fake friends.
You know, check my iOS, I be fake friend.
On top 1 gig.
Babe!
Bro, see, that investment and 20 million will go put. Because we cannot be putting small money. Oh, baby, are you? What's the problem?
Can I see you?
My guy, let me talk to my mama.
No problem.
Just give me a minute, you understand? She's an expensive girl, so...
Yeah, no problem.
Oh.
Expensive girl.
Me and my friend are in the middle of a business discussion, so you not waste time. What's wrong?
Babe, there's something I need to discuss with you.
What's the problem?
My father is very sick. There's no money to take care of him.
Wait, my father-in-law. Talk to me, what's wrong?
We took him to the clinic and the doctor said we should bring 500k. I don't know where to get it from.
Which one is clinic? I don't understand. You took my father-in-law to a clinic?
Yes.
No. I cannot take that. How will you take my father-in-law to a clinic? What happened to 5-star hospital in Ikoyi? I cannot let you be maltreating my father-in-law. You know what you will do now? You go to that clinic, you go and withdraw him from the clinic and take him to a 5-star hospital. In the one in Ikoyi, don't take him to the one at Bagada because I will not even take that. How much you say they will need for the treatment?
500k.
500k is nothing now.
What did you say?
Just go and withdraw him from the clinic first, take him to a 5-star hospital. After you do that, let me know.
Okay, baby, but what about the money?
Which money? I said the money is not a problem, baby. Take him away from the clinic first and take him to a good 5-star hospital in Ikoyi.
Baby, when I get there, you send the money.
Yeah, sure. Don't worry, just gonna do that, okay?
Okay, baby, let me rush. I'll call
baby.
you. Eh?
I love you.
I love you.
My regards to dad.
Alright.
I don't mind that my babe Jerry. She's very clingy, you understand?
I understand it.
So how about that 1 gig? Let me do it like this. Let me even check my estimate.
Which 1 gig I want to do for you? Maybe you just promise babe 500k for a papa treatment.
That's for love, you understand? If you don't do this 1 gig now, I follow up everybody for my platforms. Before you know now, that money go drop. Don't you trust me? I'm a hardworking guy. Have you forgotten? Son of grace.
Hardworking guy. Son of grace.
So just let me do that sub. You know I'm a short guy.
Okay, make I check first too.
Let me do it for my Airtel. My babe don't call me again. Damn. Don't talk anything. Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Calm down. What's the issue?
The doctor said my father just died.
What? Damn! Gosh! Can you believe I was just about to send you about 1.2 million naira for everything that you're asking me for? And this just happened. Mr. Kolawole is gone. Oh, damn. You know what happened, babe? Don't panic. Right now, I'm going to make sure that burial is an expensive one.
What?
You get, your daddy will not just waste like that. You know what you first do for me? Go and check the price of golden caskets. Don't check cheap one. I don't want any wooden coffin for your daddy. Golden coffin. You know what they call golden coffin? Let me check the price. Just let me know the price. Your daddy's burial will be an expensive one. Believe me.
Is it today you'll be telling her to go and check price of casket? No, it's not today. Like, not that you even have the money. What's you?
Bro, like seriously, this Costco exchange, bro, is one of the best I've seen so far. They help me for my USD, my gift card, my cryptocurrencies.
feel back. I'll just straighten it. Straight. I'm going to take a gate all about finish up. I'm fed by my car, open my mom's store, go to Lekki, build house, live soft life. Live a soft life. If I finish, I don't know. She don't believe in the boy, bro. I know there are many scams out there that eat your money and run, but I know those questions are reliable, but you don't need to pray, they are trustworthy, bro. I believe in them so much, we're going to make it divine. Those questions change. Man, can't wait for tomorrow. Felicia's going to hear this, man.
Wow, who is that woman?
We are there, we are doing do. Oh yeah, everybody pay your house rent. My tenant.
What be that now? What be that?
What happen?
Because when you get house, you can't touch me.
I no go touch you. I give me my accident. Give me my accident.
Small play when I follow you play. Change them.
Pay now.
Yeah, I no go change them. Small touch when I touch you, on the para.
Okay, landlord, I don't get money. Why I go pay in?
You no get money, but you go pay in other way. Now so you dey see me enter why I call you my collect money.
You agree, I be no.
Come, no only today I go do. Next time I call give my money.
Why you talk like that?
So you know she was deceiving you. And you falling for it.
I don't go like I'm fat. Very soon you no go dey pay house rent again. You're free. Why go meet on that tenant? No? Hey, sweetie guy,
Just like that, girls are powerful.
Hey, come. If you spoil this thing, I go tell you how much. Why take roof this house?
No, offense, my
guy. I bring your money.
Anything be that now.
House rent.
Money no dey now, my guy.
So how is it my business?
I'll pay in another way.
Which way?
The other way we my community but they always pay, you know.
I don't understand. You be woman.
That is deal. How you want town? See I'm now. I think this like
I'm going to unleash all my karate skills on you. Like I'm going to give you karate skills, Jackie Chow, Tai Chi. What do you say?
Nduka. Bros, what should they happen for there?
Now better dancing competition they go on there. Winner they go with gift, better jollof rice and meat. There they go so.
Jollof rice.
But personality, look at the way he was. I love his dance step, like that was crazy. Look at it. Just because of rice and chicken, you don't even know if you're going to win.
So thank you. Come on, make some noise for all of them.
Who is going to win the car? Baby.
Now this is how it is. If you want them to stay, you give me the word in. If you want them home, you give me the word out. Okay. In or out? Out. Thank you. Go home. In or out? In. Congratulations. In or out? Go see mommy. In or out? Congratulations. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the final lap. DJ, give it to them. Come on here.
Nduka is going to win this one because the dancing skills is already giving. Look at and the girl looks good for us. Can you do that?
Okay, thank you. Make some noise for them. In or out? In or out? Congratulations to the winner. Mr. Light, bring the jollof rice. So congratulations, sir. You just won yourself a brown new jollof rice.
But this is a yellow new jollof.
Hey, congratulations.
Brown new jollof.
Uncle, please give me the rice. I'm not eating sincere today.
Which one be man give you rice? When are the dance one no follow dance? Don't disturb me, or me you na men no.
Oga, na rice never chop before. Give this small pikin food now. Oga, give her rice na small pikin now.
Which one be man give her rice? My follow man. When are the dance one no follow me dance? I better not leave me for here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start the second dance competition, and the winner is going home with 1 plate of rice and 2 turkeys.
First of all, it's the first one.
Yeah.
You know if you win those people.
He pay now where?
Osaga, you owe your phone.
I hold on, what's up?
So just call my mama.
Call your mama. When I say I give this small pikin rice, give her rice.
Call my mama now.
You should have. You are still dancing. The one that they have done to you is not enough, Abi. You're still dancing.
Hey, Chineke. Running. This phone I just got it the other day. Come on like this, it could just cool. Now, mistakenly I do one call. Now so it go dey hot cha 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 cha.
Okay. Which phone this and how much you buy am?
The 11 Pro Max now. I buy am inside traffic. Very good deal, 50k. 50.
We deserve no. Why you go buy phone 50k for inside traffic and you expect not to get hot like this? You have reliable plug like J plug. This is the best phone. Now you go buy this kind of phone.
J plug?
Yes now. But wait, why they hot like this? Which sound they make?
You want to explode?
I want to see Remeji.
My son, how can I help you?
Eyes of the gods. I say.
Shut up! I know wetin big you call my shrine.
What? No, wise one. No be that odeshi wey you do for me that time. That one work. I know they doubt you. But this time around.
Wait! Ah! What do you mean? See your wife and your pikin. They are very shine. I can see your house. See your motor, new motor, 2025.
Wise one. I beg. I come make you do juju for me while I go the seafood chop. No be car, leave car first.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Ah! I see you in London.
I'll do juju for food first.
Limau.
Make I bet chop if I see road achieve those things. Now who they alive, now go see road achieve everything when we see them.
Since morning, look at your room. Look at your room. If I go and come back here and your room is like this, you will hear from me. Nonsense. And
Father, in the name of Jesus,
Amen.
Lord, I thank you.
Amen.
Thank you for all that you do. Thank you, Lord, for who you are. Father, I sanctify this room. Sanctify this room, Lord. Thank you, Lord, my Father. Thank you, Lord.
You are lucky.
Ski.
You are lucky. What the father would have done to you, you never.
I feel dead for us now.
My gosh.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Okay. I'm fine.
Are you sure? I just hit you.
Hit me? Did you hit me?
Yes.
Oh wow. I'm okay.
Oh wow.
Hello, baby. Hey! Oh man, I hit somebody, but he's fine. He told me he's okay.
Dissolve!
I'm not fine. No.
I'm fine, make I die. If I'm fine, make I die. Like, how will you be having a boyfriend and you say you jam me? I go say I'm fine. I lie. It is only when you are single.
Yeah, how are they now? I just come back from travel. I think bring all the old trade for me set now. And the Bitcoin, gift card, everything. Bring her come. I go office.
And there is even fun doing them.
Yeah, God bless
this
you.
Enjoyment, all the too much.
Hold on now. Hold on.
You want to be giving me a let me be
looking like that. How many wrap of akpo you want to eat now?
One wrap and all this means two.
Put it up.
It's 2 wrap.
2 wrap now you eat now. You don't eat 2 wrap of akpo now. So 1 wrap of akpo now the belly full you again you tell me so.
Okay. No, I know.
You respect yourself. You the yes so. You wanna they eat 4 wrap of akpo so now because of that they go 40 years. That's why they eat 4 wrap of akpo. You small people well. Don't be 10 years you just don't be 10 years this so.
Yes.
You want go 10 now you go 11. Don't be so. You eat 1 wrap of akpo. When you eat 20 years you eat 2 wrap. They're not they carry the eat any year. I just tell you before.
Jeez.
Chop, not let me talk.
What did I just hear and watch? 40 years for akpo.
See your egg for there. See your own egg.
Egg and egusi soup.
With them.
There's no yolk in the air.
Put it up.
There's no yolk in it.
What is that?
Yes.
What do you mean?
See, you're eating yolk.
Can you eat it? Go eat in the room. Get up. Go and eat in the room.
Who the way Papa am himself?
Let me take the extra.
You know Sabi eat eba.
I love the way he said, "Where's it talk? Where's it talk?" I love that. Go ahead.
Today I had a dream about you.
What is it?
You gave me some money and iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Jesus! Did I give them for you for free in your dream or I knocked you before?
For that one, I don't know.
Okay. No problem. Let's go inside.
To do what?
Let's make the dream come true, neighbor.
For what?
God have mercy upon us.
Hey Kelvin,
What's up?
my ride is here. I'm on my way.
Alright.
Today, we must not. We must not. I'm ready to
Real life for Joe. I am not a culture vulture.
They can't get for you. No. Back one side.
Madam, let me call gate for you now.
Yeah, hold on. Hello Kelvin.
What's up?
Please call the gate.
You don't allow you pass for gate? God have mercy upon us.
The number you are trying to call.
My guy, allow us pass now. Over call gate.
Hey, you. See, madam, I know they like all this, you know. I beg you.
Call this now.
Madam, no,
This driver is just here embarrassing.
What did they do the Uber driver? I mean, calm down now.
See, madam, in fact, calm down.
But can you rest?
I know they like all
Then I'm saying gate number ending with 91.
He said you guys' number ended with 91.
The company phone be this, make him call the number.
Give the gate man phone.
He said I should give you the phone.
I know they collect me and call gate.
You know what, collect?
Kelvin, me, I'll be going, I'm tired.
Jesus! You body get Chris.
Chairman, calm down. I don't listen to you. Chairman, I will calm down.
You don't stop like this. I know they agree again.
I'm happy he gave the Uber man a dirty one on the face. The Uber man deserves a slap. Let's see this one from this guy. And I mean this girl, Sunshine. Somebody standing with his girlfriend, you are still calling him, you want to snatch him.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
What's the name?
My name is Lagos People.
Oh, I like you. I don't mind spending all my money with you.
I have a girlfriend.
Excuse me.
I cannot cheat on my girlfriend.
Don't worry, I know what you want. So,
look at my face.
Excuse me, ma'am. He said he has a girlfriend. My boyfriend doesn't need your money. Keep your money.
Jesus! You got a dog, man.
Sorry. Don't cry.
I love this. You actually pack the money to accept, like.
What is it now?
I want you to be my babe. See, I have cash. See.
I told you I have a boyfriend.
And she has already rejected so many rich men before meeting this gangster that.
You have been waiting for years. See, I got you this car. And this flower too.
I'm not interested. I told you I have a boyfriend.
Who take her, she's a warrior.
What are you doing here?
Ha! If I don't buy the gas station, I buy for you now.
Since how many weeks ago?
Hey! Babe, you know, sir, they expect 1 or 2 now, and the way things they go now, I gotta gather myself to buy this gas for you.
See, the truth is, I don't need this gas anymore.
Eh?
It's been a long time.
You know, I just want to buy this gas for you.
No, I don't need it.
Okay, no wahala. I'm going inside, go rest.
Can't you see I'm on my way going out? Just come back later.
Oh my God. Okay.
My boss. My boss.
How far now?
I do. Now, here they stay.
I have to arrange for my girl.
Now, you get me this?
Yes.
What I went on?
What you got to come inside?
One of my guys they stay here. So my gas finish. I come see my computer, me help me with money. Me at the filler. But as I reach here now your woman they tell me say he don't pack.
Child, bad. What you gonna do like this?
No wahala. I go just go. I go also filler.
You now my guy. I go run something for you.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Where I go send them?
That might take us back.
I don't send them.
Don't do. I dey come my confirm.
Okay.
Blast, eh? 50K send me so.
You know my guy now.
Chai. This expectation maybe a good I go update here.
No problem.
Yeah, no.
Babe, I'm looking for my car key.
Oh, babe, I think I left it upstairs.
Okay.
Just by the couch.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay.
So now my help they help you.
And so?
Yeah, no. You will help me send something to my account. Man, if you tell you help or something.
See, you have to start going. I'll send you later.
Go here. So as I don't lose you, now I still lose money. I better send me money. Put that for that my take out bank.
I've sent it.
Yeah, no wahala. Now wait for my door and I may come. My
Josh, you never still go?
No, I dey wait for you now. As you go collect your key, as soon as I wait for you, may you now help me reach front.
Okay. You be my guy now, babe.
Let's go now. We are one.
Any battle now, make you get right so. I struggle. I say my dad never wish me. If I see another mama.
You don't know how many breeds you to cross. No sense.
Come back here.
And it's true. For you to get that kind of food in a party, you need to struggle hard. You need to
I can't even sleep for night.
Just give me 1 minute, eh? I will join you soon, eh? I beg you when I get CD for us.
What do you want this condom do?
Sure, be waiting. I want you to do. I bet who get CD, Jai?
I can't do. Why they busy now? Once the babe come, I will go bring her for you.
Which one say when the babe come? Now blind when I enter this house with babe just now.
Now only you enter this house. You no carry any babe enter this room.
I beg, when I don't smoke colos. So now blind when I enter this house with babe. When I come they tell me say, I beg who gets CD, I beg.
What thing you talk? She will go live for you. Not only you enter this place now.
Are you playing?
Only me enter this house.
Not only you enter now.
Hey! Not be juju be that.
Say the eyes they pay me and they waiting with this.
Hey, Alpha, Mona comes now. No be the girl who I deal with this. Mona see her now.
Yeah.
Nobody dey inside this picture now.
Jesus! What be this?
Don't try. Put it back.
Don't know that way they so. Now cut now you join. Ogboni.
But that Ogboni sound is a comedy. Oh my God, this one is from
You mad? I never want to come your house again. I say my name is Pluto Presido. Sharp. When they come your house again, I don't want to hear that you go kill your cow. When they come your house, they worry. That's the world leader.
Osas.
Leader, no, they call me Osas now. My name is Pluto Presido. Now, what are they quarrel with that guy for us now?
But now Osas, now we take know you for the family. Who should be Pluto Presido? Okay, no wahala. For the 10 million naira when we call you so, now I might give the check of 10 million naira.
Leader, the governor of our state. Leader, which position you want for this state, I'll give you. I'll make you chairman.
Check of 10 million naira.
Leader. Now Pluto Presido for the name, man. Supposed to be Osas Osakpanwa now.
Now you say your name no be Osas, say na Pluto Presido. That made me right now.
Leader, no, now Osas Osakpanwa, no be Pluto Presido.
See, Pluto.
No, leader, Osas Osakpanwa.
You know say Pluto will know the show for map. But no worry, this one you go show for bank.
You are the one who said your name is no longer Osas. They should call you Pluto. Go and collect the check now. If the name matches. So, POV message bodyguard. Telling and people Mama Chinedu and Chinedu. How much bodyguard like is this the kind of stress it goes through whenever Messi is playing football? Is this loud bodyguard behave? I don't know. I don't need a bodyguard. So we cannot do like this anymore. This is The all the name of I want to be good and dedicated or dedicated.
Hello, Don Jazzy. You know, go feel believe what me and Philip they argue like this. Philip them and talk say Don Jazzy no be give. Say Don Jazzy no be giver. I tell her say oh Don Jazzy. You know how much Don Jazzy they give people for free? He talk saying I lie. If I get my make I call him. I say I go call Don Jazzy now prove him. He say I beg make I get. I say Don Jazzy no they give. I said Don Jazzy if you give me pass 1,000 naira. We argue so say in get my block me too I block him. I don't need the help again. How floor like get Don Jazzy. You understand? So Don Jazzy like this, you need to prove him. Wrong.
You still say wrong. You better go and block.
I don't understand. Why they gloomy like this? What happened?
She just wake up. She just break up with me today.
Why don't break up?
I did tell you.
Why you call the feel gloomy? I didn't say something to celebrate.
Oh, bro, now you say I love this baby.
Don't be time you say she be good girl. Don't be time you say she be good girl. Now told her they make you the feel gloomy. Now wow. Somebody that even go if she says, has she greet me before in her life?
Now, of course, you always beg for food.
I don't give a damn. Even though. Papa, may we go outside. Your fish plenty for river.
She get me catch one.
May we go that joint. May we see whether 1 or 2 shower go there. Papa, may we active.
Well, she no feel like make I just text her.
May you beg am so wait. No, make I hear that nonsense for your mouth. May you go, Joe.
Somebody that has been
taller. You want beg taller? You want beg taller?
My love. Whenever I want to eat.
$5.
How far? How you doing now?
Bro, no time saying I die or go to get babe. You make it feel sad.
It is smoky, bro.
What's the meaning of this now?
My bro.
Now which I know.
Hey! Baby, sense like come now.
I can see you.
Our wife.
Very loud and lousy.
Yeah, it was when I was calling you gold digger. Yes.
No, I didn't say anything. I didn't.
No, I know. You sat down here yesterday and you were saying that she's very rude. No. I was even saying that. I was even saying that it's because he used to beg for food. That,
do you understand?
Yeah. So I was not like trying to like make him understand that yesterday.
No, I did not.
But it was like, no, you are rude. You are a gold digger. You cheat on me. You sleep with so many politicians and all. And I'm like, what? What? My own babe? No, I won't take that. That's why I asked him to come today.
So your wife, I did not say that too.
No, you said that now. Stop lying now.
Our wife kill you there.
Yes.
See, they don't like us together.
I know. I
You have
noticed.
to stop being friends with this kind of people.
Yes,
honestly.
baby. Yes, baby. Baby, please, can you help me bring salt?
I'll get something.
No. After course, I will play game now.
Is the food remaining?
Food remaining.
God have mercy.
We'll play game now. We'll play game. I don't.
Make I.
No. You know for the go now.
Make I just.
No, you know for the go. Baby, you want to run away. Babe, he's running away.
You see this life, never you put your mouth or chook your mouth in any boyfriend and girlfriend's matter. If like they are calling, tearing their head up and don't say anything. Because they will use it to settle their quarrel.
You finally came to see me.
Yes, I miss you, baby.
Let's go inside now.
I want to go.
Let's go inside now.
Baby, now you saw how to go inside and leave my friend out there.
I already offered her something now. She's okay.
I want to go.
Baby, go relax now. I'll soon go now.
I know they talk to you, face your girlfriend. I won't come up for you. She know the arrangement.
Why do you
just bitter?
No, baby, I'm actually going somewhere. Sure, like after here, I'll escort her to her.
Cynthia.
She can go.
Cynthia.
I can give her transport now.
It's Rukky bed, not.
I dey quick vessel. Even the sasa person they sweat, no light, nothing. See, the thing they sound up and down for my ear. I won't come up for you. Like what this kind of thing. I don't know who kind come meet for you.
You should have called one.
I'm not going to understand you. We get issue before.
I don't know for that one. And you know that one. Like tell her, give her transport to come for you. Sorry,
So if you leave now, when are you going to come in?
Don't worry, we talk that over the phone.
Really? So you can't come inside with me?
No, really.
Cynthia, I go vest for you. I go vest for you. I say I won't come up for you.
That's why for you, sir. That's why for you.
I beg. Stand up. Do mumu safe. Can't person with this one now.
Because this your friend go get wish show. The one that you so
But let's transport. Let's transport. I don't want to get stoned. Let's transport.
The one they this your friend and she get wish show. The one they see this one so this one go get wish.
Passport. Leave this one. I beg.
Do I got like weather? Come, when you come. You can't want to when you drink just like cut aside the money.
I don't understand.
They expect for you.
They see what I tell you. They see it. Oh!
Because you're a better person now, give us some water.
You see what I tell you about this guy? I tell you say no get money. You can't even come here.
Now your papa get money.
This guy don't know me.
You guys don't understand.
If you dance, finish your face, transfer the water money.
Tell your guy. Tell your guy. Oh!
Calm down. He's gonna wait. Baby, calm down. Don't worry, baby.
Because of this guy. He can't just understand a better you might be now give her can water. They misbehave, then you allow they swear for. Give me the can water money very fast. 300 fast.
It's not what you need.
Baby, they make them better people now. They make them with Kolo.
He's a better person.
He's a better person.
What? Let's transfer the 300 for the can water. Maybe you add that. Transfer the 300 for the water where you drink. They go punish you. Your mate. Come on, they tell me say man wait. Nobody will owe you. And if it's there, they go back to you like small pikin.
Wait, Cynthia.
Transfer the money very fast.
Let's go. I'll pay. I'll pay. Okay, this.
There's nothing you can do. You are just.
Maybe your shoe now this guy wear so. Maybe your shoe she wear so.
Baby.
Come.
No, it's not my shoe.
Not the one Rukky in the
Rukky.
You dare not put on Rukky stuff.
Because of what water.
It's not calm down. Baby, calm down.
I swear to God.
First of all, they remove wig for injection. Yeah. The girlfriend.
You they see the embarrassment your guy did.
You
they see the embarrassment your guy did.
You know what to think.
Who the shoe?
Look at me.
She fell. See, if you want to enjoy Rukky, you don't have to offend. Just play along to see.
Una well done.
Well done.
Chairman ko.
Go inside, go come sit down.
Chairman, well done.
Now what carry you come?
Yes.
This guy do like this. You go fit work so.
No, I go work. I dey determined. Obo Alpha. Good afternoon, sir.
How your trip now?
Fine. Oh.
Sure, go show am in room. Okay, boss.
Boss.
What is that?
Gary don finish you. Very good. At least no all of una focus work. I been a food carry una come here.
No, I want to carry us come.
Come on. Now hungry carry me come. Which one be Gary don finish? You don't know. Okay, open. Bye.
Look at the way he was happy running away from this house. Like this guy not determined. I said he was so determined.
Oh my God! Hey! Oh my God! 70 years old man. They use your function to play.
Who's this one?
They use your generation to play. What type of playing? Look at my face. Like I could have.
Mama, what's happening? Wait now. Let me chop now. Small food I just order now. You just give me signal. You don't let me chop.
I beg. Oga, Chichi, get out. Come on, signal. You know if you understand. Stingy man. Very cock. Oga, you Chichi.
Okay, what's happening? I beg, bring Lylon, come pack this food. Me I can't go house go chop am. For this kind of period, person still dey beg for T-pain. You don't know say that kind of thing dey pain. You understand? I understand.
What kind of husband is this? So let's watch this video.
What are you doing now?
How are you going to fight back now? You are holding somebody. You are holding your child. You cannot leave her.
Place. How is it your business? Where is it your place?
Where is the key?
Which key? The key is inside. The key is inside.
Hi.
Are you trying to open it?
Stingy husband.
Look at who.
What are
you doing? Huh?
What did he lock in? What did he lock there?
Don't drop my baby, oh. Don't drop my baby.
Ah, so that nobody can put the trousers. Voila.
So this is where you're hiding.
God.
Hey! I don't have money, oh. 1 naira I don't have. 1 naira I don't have. No food.
See money.
This is where you're locking your money.
This man is Guinness Book of Records should come and give this man some award. I beg you. Come and give him award.
Hey, don't be wise.
Look at cash. For people, eh?
I don't have 1 naira. I don't have 1 naira. Good wise, you have this kind of money. You locked it inside here with padlock.
Bam!
What kind of husband is this?
Na spiritual husband. Hey guys, thank you for watching this comedy till this extent. And if you do, I want to say a round of applause for you guys. I want to give you a round of applause. Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy for you, for watching my content. I really want to say thank you to all of you that have been supporting and watching this content till this extent, especially, till this extent. And all right, if you're still among those people that have not subscribed yet on my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe by hitting or clicking that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell after you click on the subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell and also like the video, share it to all your social media platforms, and also lastly, try to comment. When you watch, you comment, because you can't tell me watching this video there is nothing you have seen, or there is nothing that will make you laugh. There must be something that treat you in this comedy video. So just let me see your comment, how you feel about the comedy. So guys, thank you for watching and sticking around till this extent. And we're not going to waste our time right now, but just take a look at this comedy. I really love this particular one of Gentuu. Look at what Gentuu did. Like, can you see the look? Like the look was so hilarious. And he just treats the girl like, look at something. And the girl looked and he meowed. But people wicked, yeah? Somebody that has tried, did all she could do to make sure she obtained that bag and bring it to you. All you could say is that she's a gangster. She's not fit to be your girlfriend because of the action she displayed to get your phone for you. Like getting your phone from the criminal for you. People, I really love that. The comedy is actually hilarious. Like, I enjoyed it. And Nduka baby, listen to me, the wine baby. This guy actually did a very nice role here. The dancing, everything. Like, you see the Garalana, you see all the enthusiasm. Why won't he win? Yes, why won't he win that prize? There is nothing that will prevent him not to win the prize and actually win a brand new a brown new jollof rice. But the jollof rice is not brown. How come it was calling the jollof rice a brown new one? Like, I don't really understand. Is there anything like brown new rice? All right, though. These people will not kill me at all, at all. They will not kill me. And also, look at Slim Black. This guy, Slim Black. He said he was determined to learn street, but at the end of the day, because there was no Gary in the house, he picked his bag and ran away. Imagine how you go run when you say you are determined. I was thinking he can face anything. He can even learn this work without eating. But look at, you're just running. Very nice comedy. Edoboy also did a very great one. Like, this pattern of him is actually going to catapult him very far to a very, a lot of audience are actually coming for him. They will actually, come to him. And before you know it, Edoboy will get to 3 million, 4 million subscribers, 4 million followers on Instagram if he continues this way. Look at the pattern, look at everything, look at the script, look at how they acted this comedy. It was well scripted and nice. All right, guys, like I said before, I'm not going to waste any of your time. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time. Peace out.